Hi guys, welcome to Taste Like Home. I'm your pro cook Tsulu, and this is episode 4. Today I'll be making a Mexican bowl.
To get the ball rolling for this Mexican bowl, these are the ingredients you will need. 2 chicken breasts, 1 full avo, 1 red bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, and 1 yellow bell pepper. We're only going to use about half of each. You also need a handful of butter lettuce, half a cup of corn, half a cup of black beans, 2 cloves of garlic as well, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, a cup of rice, salad dressing of your choice, even homemade will do, 1 cube stock which will be dissolved in water, 2 tablespoons of cumin powder, 2 tablespoons of chilli, 2 tablespoons of powdered garlic, 2 tablespoons of Portuguese spice, 1 tablespoon of oil, and finally 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And now to thank our sponsors, this episode was sponsored by Simunye Fruit and Veg. Now that the nitty-gritties are out of the way, it's time to start cooking. Firstly, add your olive oil to your hot pan. Once that is done, you're going to bring in your marinated chicken breasts. The chicken breasts were marinated with cumin powder, chili, Portuguese spice, powdered garlic, olive oil, and lemon juice. Remember, you can marinate your chicken overnight, or like me, you can do this for about 2 to 3 hours. You should be good. Now time to fry our chicken breasts. You're going to do this for about 5 to 10 minutes, doing them consistently, preventing them from completely scorching. If you don't pay attention to your chicken breasts, you may burn them due to the marinade. Marinade is infamous for burning. Now my chicken breasts are well charred on the outside and cooked through in the inside. Time to set them aside. On to our next ingredient, which is our bell peppers. You will see that I did not clean out my pan as per usual because I want my bell peppers to soak up the marinade and the leftover spices from the chicken breasts. You're going to saute your bell peppers for just about a minute so you can give it a bit of a bite, and also it will give a variation in texture to your salad bowl. Now set it aside. Both your chicken and your bell peppers will be brought in once you start assembling your Mexican bowl. Time to start cooking our rice. I'm making my rice differently. First, I'm going to add my cup of rice, followed by my chicken stock, which was diluted in half a cup of water, followed by my crushed garlic. I did not add my water at the beginning before adding rice because I wanted it to be sticky and somewhat resemble a risotto. Reduce your temperature to a medium-low heat, cover the pot, then checking on it every 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring that it does not stick to the bottom of the pot. Also, when stirring, make sure you do this vigorously, making sure that your rice does not stick to the bottom of your pan. If this does happen though, add an additional half a cup of water to your rice. Cook further for 5 minutes or until your rice is fully cooked. Now time to assemble. Firstly, you're going to place your lettuce. Once that is done, you're going to dish up your rice. You will see the sticky effect that I was talking about when cooking the rice. Then you're going to put your bell peppers right next to your rice. Once that is done, you're going to add your corn. 2 tablespoons of this will do. Now you're going to bring in your black beans. Also, just 2 tablespoons should be enough. And in the beginning, I forgot to mention that I'll be adding red onions to my dish. But if you don't have it, don't worry, it's really not a big deal. You're going to just need 4 teaspoons of this. And like I said, if you don't have it, you can completely omit this part. Time to add your avo slices. I used just about half of the original full avo that I had, but if you'd like to use the whole one, you're more than welcome. Now it's time to add our chicken, which I have sliced into strips. And now for your dressing, you're going to drizzle it over your Mexican bowl. You can use any dressing of your choice, or alternatively balsamic vinegar. And now here is our Mexican bowl. It's time to taste our Mexican bowl. Go within. Don't forget to like and subscribe.